Hey everybody, Kevin from Deepwater Guitars. We are the exclusive Tom Anderson dealer in the Pacific Northwest. Been selling their guitars for over 35 years. I'm a big fan. As you can see behind me, I own one myself. And I'm here to show you a really special guitar. This one is finished in an unusual finish. This is an Icon Classic. Your classic S-style, top mount jack, 3 singles, vintage trim. But this one's finished in satin black with red dog hair. And I'm going to show you the back here so you can see the swamp ash grain, where normally you have the dark lines are all kind of a subtle red, finished over by a satin black. This one's got a caramel maple neck, all the best features. It's got the even taper, neck shape, medium jumbo frets. This one does have a VA booster in it, and I should warn you that I have a special cable. This spark plug cable will add about 20% to your sound, a little bit more horsepower. Not everybody has this. It's kind of a secret sauce. Anyway, you can get all the classic Strat sounds out of this, so I'll give you an idea. That's the number 4 position, out of phase position. You can also get those great neck tones. This one does have a VA booster built in also, where you can just boost the output slightly. This is the middle pickup. We'll boost it. You'll notice it gives you just a little bit more gain, a little bit more mids. And of course, I'm playing through a 66 Princeton reverb on clean. I've also got a Blackstar HT5, which is a 5-watt amp, and I'll let you hear what it sounds like dirty. That's the bridge pickup, which is an SC3. Here's the neck pickup. And the middle pickup. All the great Stratty tones. You have an SC1, SC1, SC3, vintage tremolo. You have locking tuners, caramel maple neck. This guitar is just gorgeous. Feels slick in your hands. Not slick, but satiny, I guess is a good term. And with the VA booster, you've got everything from your very clean Stratty sort of sounds to a nice fat overdrive sound. This is an Icon Classic in satin black with red dog hair. Contact us. You can find us at deepwaterguitars.com. You can send us an email. Our phone number's on there. Get a hold of us if you're interested in this. We don't have many for stock, but this is one that just came in yesterday. Thanks for tuning in.